In this video, I will demonstrate the easiest, safe, and cost-effective fuser reset method for OKI and MC300-500 series and equivalent Executive Series A4 printers. Firstly, turn off the printer and carefully remove the fuser unit. Place it on a clean and flat surface, and flip it to access the fuser connector on the bottom surface. On the fuser connector, you'll find a 4-pin side and a 5-pin side. The reset chip should be installed on the 4-pin side. Please remember that the position of the 4-pin side may be on the left or right side depending on the printer model, so double-check its location on your fuser unit. Take the reset chip and remove the double-sided tape liner from the back of the reset chip, and insert the reset chip into the center of the fuser connector, ensuring that the sticky side faces the 4-pin side. Next, insert the provided reset chip installation tool to hold the reset chip in the correct position. Then, place the T-shaped tool into the designed space for it. Remove both reset tools and check the reset chip. It should be properly seated, as shown in the image. The reset chip installation is complete. Place the fuser unit back into the printer, turn the power on, and check the remaining fuser life. Now, you can see that fuser life has been reset back to 100%. After successfully resetting the fuser life, remove the fuser unit again, and use a non-sharp object to gently lift the used reset chip from the right side of the reset chip and remove it. Then, place the fuser unit back into the printer, and start enjoying cost-effective and eco-friendly printing. It is that simple. Join us, and effortlessly save thousands of dollars for yourself over your printer's lifetime, while making significant positive contributions to our planet.